The journey of a double-edged safety razor blade begins with precision-grade stainless steel coils arriving at the factory.
Slowly now, keep it coming back. All right, hold it. And stop.
The coil begins opening into a continuous steel strip, which must be perfectly controlled before stamping. Each movement is measured, so every razor blade blank is stamped in the correct position. The first blade shape is stamped from the steel strip, creating the basic double-edge razor blade blank. Early inspection removes defective blanks before they enter heat treatment. Now the stamped razor blade blanks move toward heat treatment, where the steel gains strength and cutting durability. Inside the hardening furnace, controlled heat changes the steel structure and prepares it for a long-lasting sharp edge. Even a tiny bend can affect shaving comfort, so flatness is checked before sharpening begins. The heat treatment phase ends with strong, flat blade blanks, ready for the most important step, creating the cutting edge. Now the flat hardened blanks enter the sharpening line, where both edges will be formed with extreme precision. The primary bevel gives the razor blade its first cutting angle. A finer grinding pass smooths the cutting angle and prepares the edge for honing. Honing refines the edge even further, turning a ground bevel into a fine cutting edge. Polishing removes microscopic roughness, helping the finished blade glide more smoothly during shaving. With each honing pass, the razor edge becomes smoother, thinner, and more precise. After sharpening, every double-edged safety razor blade must be cleaned before coating can begin.
Complete drying is important because moisture can cause stains, corrosion, or coating defects.
A controlled anti-corrosion layer protects the blade surface before the final smooth coating is applied.
After final approval, each ultra-sharp double-edge safety razor blade must be wrapped safely before packing.
The folds cover the sharp edges, so the blade can be handled safely during packing. Each wrapped blade packet is pressed flat, so it fits cleanly inside small boxes or dispensers. After small box packing, each razor blade retail pack receives traceability and barcode information.
Every label is scanned to confirm the pack can be traced back to its production batch.
Retail packs are counted into exact carton quantities for distribution. Filled cartons are sealed to protect the retail packs during storage and transport. The packaging phase ends with sealed cartons palletized, wrapped, and stored for distribution.
Razor blades to the regional depot. Confirmed. You're good to go. Appreciate it.
Retail delivery brings the finished razor blades from the supply chain to shops where customers can buy them.
Let's see, 10 boxes of the double edge. Yep, all accounted for. We're good to go.
After a long manufacturing journey, the finished razor blade reaches the customer's hand.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Goodbye.
At home, the wrapped blade is opened carefully and placed into a safety razor for use. At home, the wrapped blade is opened carefully and placed into a safety razor for use.
At home, the wrapped blade is opened carefully and placed into a safety razor for use.
The finished blade delivers its final purpose, a clean, smooth, controlled shave. The finished blade delivers its final purpose, a clean, smooth, controlled shave. At home, the wrapped blade is opened carefully and placed into a safety razor for use. At home, the wrapped blade is opened carefully and placed into a safety razor for use. After a long manufacturing journey, the finished razor blade reaches the customer's hand. The finished blade delivers its final purpose, a clean, smooth, controlled shave. The finished blade delivers its final purpose, a clean, smooth, controlled shave. From stainless steel coil to ultra-sharp shaving blade, every step creates a safer, smoother, and more reliable double-edge razor blade.